all the teachers go. What happened? What happened? What happened? Any problem is there? So this is a good poem because it depends. It is narration of the teacher-children relationship. That's why it is very interesting poem for you. Okay, please open page number 67. Where do all the teachers go? Okay, so for a little child, a teacher is a social person. So children think that, yes, Siddhika is correct. So children think that teachers are perfect persons. Okay. So why are you leaving? And again, I have to admit one by one. I have admitted all. Please don't leave again. Okay. I have admitted all. Don't leave in between, there will be problem. Okay. So teachers, students, parents, three important persons in the teaching learning process. So teacher, student, parent. Three are important in the teaching learning process. The teacher and parent, they both help to guide the child. So the student is in the middle and most important part of the chain, student. Okay. So generally student percent that students think that the teachers are perfect. They cannot commit any mistakes. That is
आपकी वीडियो
okay.
चली गई.
The teachers are also. My video is running. What happened? Any problem?
Sir,
Are you able to know?
All is clear, ma'am. All is clear, sir.
Yes, sir, all is clear.
Okay, please open the book. Page number 67, you please open. Understood?
Yes, sir, all is clear.
Okay, okay. Please see the board, children. So, in the teaching learning process, teacher, parent, student, three are very important factors. But generally, what happens? The parents, they expect a lot from the teachers. The teachers expect a lot from the parents. So in the middle, what happens? The child is nowhere. So always we should think the child or student is most important. So the purpose of the parent as well as the teacher is how to develop the child. Okay, that's why it is told the child is the pivotal part in the teaching learning process. But here in this poem, it is given the innocence of the children. The theme of the poem is the innocence of the children. Generally, what happens, you know, children are innocent. So, innocent means they do not know much. They are not mature. When we grow in the years, no, we become mature. So, children are innocent and children are also curious. Curious means, yes, some communication problem is there. In the middle, it is becoming dark. No. So children are innocent and children are also curious. Yes.
Sir, आप जो लिख रहे हो
Some visual problem is there, I think.
लिखना है.
No problem, sir. All is clear.
Some little bit problem is there, children, but we have to manage. This is technical problem. We cannot help. Now it is okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it's okay, no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So
Sir,
the
आज
child
आप
is the child. Please keep quiet, mute yourself, cooperate.
Yes, sir.
So the child is curious to know about the teacher. So for a child, no, teacher is the most perfect person in the world. The teacher cannot commit mistakes. So the child is curious, interested to know whether the teachers also live like normal human beings. Are they different? Followed. So in this poem, the child is interested to know whether teachers do the normal things like other people. Do they watch TV? Do they pick their nose? Do they have fathers and mothers? Are they normal human beings? Are not? If there is a special person. The child always wants to know about the teacher. This is the theme of the poem. The theme is the curiosity of the child and the innocence of childhood. After 4 p.m., the children go home. They think whether the teachers also go home like us, whether they wear pajamas, whether they also clean their nose with their finger. So all these things the child is thinking. So there are many stanzas in the poem. I will read out. So each stanza reflects the curiosity of the child about the teacher. Clear? So the title of the poem, appropriate title, where do all the teachers go? Many teachers are coming to you. Somebody is teaching maths, somebody is teaching English, somebody is teaching social study, somebody is teaching science, somebody is teaching physical education. For every teacher, the child has a curiosity. And for the child, they are all perfect people. Teachers are perfect. The child thinks. But you don't know, children, teachers also, they are human beings of blood and flesh. They also can commit mistakes. Don't think the teacher will not commit any mistake. Teacher also commits mistakes. Okay? So for a child, the teacher is perfect. So, but the teacher also commits mistakes. Okay. Let me see the screen.
सर अक्षया राज और दिव्यांशु अननेसेसरीली चैट बॉक्स में कुछ भी टाइप कर रहे हैं
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अरे don't disturb.
Raj, Akshay, and Divyansh.
मैसेज
जब
जब
ज़्यादा
ज्यादा
बड़ा
बड़ा
मैसेज
मैसेज तो सामने आ जाता है.
Okay. Now you see.
बार-बार भेज.
Perfect no now. Again it is becoming dark.
All is clear, sir.
If I come near, it is becoming clear. Okay. If I go far, okay, now it's okay. So let us read the poem. It is a delightful poem. The theme of the poem is the curiosity of the child and the innocence of childhood and the child's expectation about the teacher as a perfect human being. For a child, a teacher is the perfect person. So the title of the poem is Where Do All the Teachers Go? For a little child, a teacher is special. It is difficult for a small child to think of his or her teacher as an ordinary person. The teachers are extraordinary. They are not ordinary person. This idea is there in the child's mind. Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? Do they wear pajamas and do they watch TV? And do they pick their noses the same as you and me? Do they live with other people? Have they moms and dads? And were they ever have children? And were they ever bad? Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes where they were punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? Did they ever lose their hymn books? Did they ever leave the greens? Did they scribble on the desktop? Did they wear old dirty jeans? I will follow one back home today. I will find out what they do. then I will put it in a poem that they can read to you. So this is the poem. Okay. Chetan now wants to join. Okay. So first stanza you see, children, where do all the teachers go when it is 4 o'clock? So what happens at 4 o'clock? So what is the significance of 4 o'clock? 4 o'clock, no. What happens? The child's class is over. 4 o'clock, the child's class is over. He goes home. He or she goes home. So at 4 o'clock, what happens? The child's class is over and he or she goes home. Go home. There they take rest. Okay. So there they take rest. So at 4 o'clock, what happens? The child's classes are over and they go home and take rest. Okay. Some problem is there, children. You please cooperate. Are one by one, why are you coming late? I do not understand. Anybody else is there? Don't leave the meeting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now it's clear. Somebody wants to join, no, the screen becomes disrupted. Okay. So when it is 4 o'clock, do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? Washing their socks means cleaning the cloth. Wash their socks. Generally, when we come from outside or from school, no, we wash the inners every day. The inner cloth we always wash. So, do the teachers do the same thing? Are the teachers doing the same thing? So, a question arises in the mind of the child that whenever we come back home at 4 o'clock from school, we go home and clean our socks. So, do the teachers do they do the same thing? This question is coming in the child's mind. Then next time, do they wear pajamas? Pajamas, you know, at home we wear loose dress. Relaxed manner we wear. We are not in our formal dress at home. So the child is asking whether the teacher also wears pajamas. And do they watch TV? So after the classes are over, the children relax and watch TV. So after the classes are over, the children go home, relax and watch TV. So the child is also asking whether the teachers do the same thing. So for a child, no, a teacher is an extraordinary person. He thinks or she thinks that whether the teachers are also doing the things what ordinary people do. Do they wear pajamas and do they watch TV and do they pick their nose? Picking the nose means pick their means
To clean their nose.
using the fingertips. Cleaning the nose using
Fingertip.
very good fingertips. What happened? Cleaning the nose using the fingertips is called pick their nose. So generally it is a habit of children to clean the nose using the finger. So the child is asking whether the teachers also do the same thing. The same as you and me. As you and me means the child is telling to others. अरे what happened?
सर हमें ये लिखना है।
You can note down.
So we have to write this.
You write, definitely you write, no, it will be clear in your mind. Heading of the poem you write,
Noted
date
from
you write, then what? Word meanings you write. Under word meaning you can write. Okay. So the same as you and me. You and me means the child is telling you and me means among our friends. So the expression you and me is used to signify among the friends. So the child is telling that all the teachers, are they ordinary human beings? Are they doing the same thing? So what we usually do, our class gets over by 4 o'clock, we go home, relax, wear pajama and also watch TV. Whether the teachers are doing the same thing, we wash our socks. Do the teachers practice the same thing? So why this curiosity? Because for a child, a teacher is a special and a perfect person. Okay. So then you see third stanza, third one. Second is clear, no? Up to second, any doubt is there?
no sir.
Any doubt is there?
No
No
doubt,
doubt.
sir. No doubt,
Third
sir.
stanza, you see, do they live with other people? Have they moms and dads? Moms and dads means father and mother.
Sir, we have to
So the
write
child
this.
is,
Sir,
you
sir,
note down. Note down, it is easy to understand. Hey, very easy things. Picking the nose, you can write yourself. Why do you want to see blackboard? Picking the nose, cleaning the nose with fingertips. You can
सर
write.
यू एंड मी के बाद क्या लिखा था आपने?
Which one? Pick the
You
nose
and me
means
के बाद.
cleaning. Write down. Cleaning the nose. Array, see the book.
You
You
and
can write.
The friends. You and me के बाद.
Moms and dads means father and mother. Father and mother. Mom and dad. So we call array, who is presenting some game. Ayush,
Sir,
Ayan,
Rajesh.
Mansi, don't present any game.
Sir, Raj is sending unnecessary message.
सर एंड के बाद क्या लिखा है?
He is
Okay.
sending a game.
Yes. Please write down. Moms and dads, everybody knows. Arey, Aya, what happened? One game is coming with you. Okay. So, it is the Arey, don't show images to each other. Who is this showing all 999? Was there socks, Siddhika? Can anyone help me? What help you want, Siddhika? You tell me. I will help.
Sir, that doubt is
Siddhika,
clear
you tell
now.
me what doubt is there? Clear? No. Okay. Any other fellows? Any doubt? Arey Raj, what are you presenting? All nines.
सर जब भी कोई बड़े बड़े मैसेज डालता है
अरे,
तो
don't
मतलब
do this.
एकदम सामने आ जाता है और आपका पेन स्क्रीन भी हट जाती है.
Okay, okay. So this system is little bit problem is there.
नो सर आपके यहाँ से प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ये बच्चे सारे के सारे से बड़े बड़े मैसेजेस भेज रहे हैं.
Yes.
हाँ, maybe that one. Okay, clear? Clear? No. So moms and dads are father and mother. Do they live with other people? Have they moms and dads? And where they ever had children and where they ever bad? So whether the teachers have family or not, the child is asking. The child is asking whether the teachers have mother and father and have they got family and children. So out of curiosity, the child is questioning. Okay. The child is interested to know whether teachers are normal human beings, whether they lead a normal life or not. Okay. Did they ever never spell right? Spell means right.
Sir, to pronounce.
Spell means right letters or words.
Sir, Vedant is
Spelling
playing
you
game.
know. Who you are
Sir, Vedant
making.
is playing game.
Who?
Vedant.
Are why playing game? Who is this?
Vedant.
Vedant, I will remove
See the
you.
chat, sir.
Vedant,
सर जो रात में
yes.
वो मैसेज डाला था उसका आंसर दे रहा है वेदांत.
Okay, Vedant is removed. Okay. Don't be sorry, don't play games. You see already due to rain some communication problem is there. Please cooperate. Okay. So, do they live with other people? Have they got mom and dads? And where they have ever children, where they ever bad? So teachers cannot, they do mistakes. The teachers also can do mistakes. But the child is not ready to realize. The child is asking whether the teachers also do spelling mistakes. Okay. Did they ever make mistakes? You are making mistake, no, your teacher is scolding you. Why you made this spelling mistake? But the child is asking whether the teacher is always perfect, whether the teacher always writes correctly. Did they ever make mistake? Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? Pinched means stole. So, pinch means to steal. So, the children, they steal the chocolate flakes. So, whether the teachers have done the same or not, the child is asking. So, sometimes no, in the corner, the teacher will tell, go and stand in the corner. It is a punishment. Whether the teachers were given same punishment in their childhood, the child is asking. Have they stolen the chocolates like us? Okay. Did they ever lose their hymn books? Hymn means prayer book. HYMN. M will be silent, it will be hymn books. Hymn book is prayer book or devotional book. Devotional book. So, each child was given earlier one devotional book about God and goddesses. Somebody request no to admit them the Samikya, how many times you are coming out and again requesting for entry? So now she has come again.
सर ईशांत और अयान ना चैट बॉक्स में लड़ाई कर रहे हैं.
Yes. Why do you go away? Why do you join? I do not understand. So hymn means devotional book. So children are scolded for losing their devotional book. Whether the teacher also does the same. Did they ever leave their greens? Greens means green vegetables. Greens. Green vegetable. So green vegetable is good for the body. But the children do not agree to eat them. They want always junk food. Junk food is bad for health. But the children will never agree to eat the green vegetable. The parents will insist, eat this, eat a carrot, eat a cucumber, eat this. But the child will say no. Because the child wants tasty food. Similarly, the child is asking whether the teachers also, they avoid to eat the green vegetables in their food. Okay. So, did they ever leave their greens? If a child is served, know what the child will do. All fried things child will eat and leave the green things. Similarly, whether the teacher was also doing like this, the child is asking. Did they scribble on the desktop? Scribble means to write quickly. Whenever you are in the class, no, in desktop you are writing something very fast. Scribble means you cannot read the handwriting. In such a way it is made. Scribble. So to write quickly is called scribble.
So like
To write quickly is called scribble. Okay.
सर इसका मीनिंग ये भी हो सकता है ना, मेक मीनिंगलेस मार्क.
Yes, but it will be difficult to read. Scribbling is difficult to read. Again, you see, who is this?
so like scratching.
Naya Sutar. Yeah. Write down, scribble, to write quickly, scribble. Okay. If one makes a request, the stage becomes, the screen becomes blurry. See, now I have admitted now it has become green vegetable. Iron is correct. Akshaya and
Daddy.
Palak. Any doubt is there?
Oh sir, no doubt
Yes.
sir. Yes, I believe.
No doubt.
No sir,
Very
no
good.
doubt.
So, shall we open the next page? Next page, page number 68. Did they wear dirty jeans? So children also, they wear the dirty clothes, dirty jeans. So whether the teachers were also wearing like this, I will follow one back home today. I will find out what they do. So the child wants to know where the teacher goes after 4 o'clock. The child tells that what I will do today, I will follow the teacher to his home or to her home and see what the teacher is doing. I will find out what they do. So the teacher is telling that I will go after the teacher one day and go to his or her house and see what they do at home. Then I will put in a poem that they can read to you. So after seeing what the teachers are doing, what I will do, I will write a poem about that. Clear? So the child tells at last that what I will do, I will one day go to the teacher's house. I will follow the teacher. I will go to the teacher's house and see what they are doing. Then I will also write one poem after observing it. Okay. So at last the child tells that I will follow the teacher. So the poem, again I am telling, the poem explains the curiosity of a child. Curiosity of a child to know what the teacher is doing. So generally what happens for children, for students, teacher is a perfect person. The teacher cannot commit any mistakes, but it is wrong. They don't realize because they are innocent. Children are innocent. They don't realize this. When they grow up in years, they realize. So first one, the child wonders whether the teacher also does the normal things. For example, do they watch TV? Do they pick their nose? Do they make spelling errors? Were they punished by the teacher for making mistakes? All this the child is asking. Because according to the child, the teacher is a perfect person. The teacher cannot do any wrong. But that is wrong. Because the teacher also is a human being of blood and flesh. He also can commit mistakes. Okay. So whether the teacher has family, whether the teachers have children, whether the teachers have fathers and mothers, and whether they are scolded in their childhood, or whether they were also stealing the chocolate flakes. So all this question comes to the child's mind. So a child is scolded if they lose the devotional book. A child is scolded when they don't touch the green vegetable. and the child is scolded when they scribble on the desktop, where the teachers also scolded in their childhood for doing the same thing. The child is also scolded for wearing dirty jeans. So whether the teachers were also doing the same thing, the child is asking. So in last stanza, the child tells that I will do one thing. What I will do? I will follow the teacher today. Today after the school is over, I will go after the teacher and see what the teacher is doing at home. So after seeing what I will do, I will write a poem and give the teacher to read it. The child wants to write one poem and give back to the teacher. In that poem, what will be written? All the activities the teacher do at home. That will be the theme of the poem. So the child tells that I will follow the teacher one day. I will write all the activities of the teacher in the form of a poem, and I will present to the teacher and you to read. To you means to my friends. So this way the poem is over. Any doubt is there, you see? Otherwise you will go to the question
No,
answer
sir,
part.
no doubt.
No
No,
doubt.
sir, no doubt.
No doubt.
No, sir.
No, sir, no
Okay.
doubt.
Raise hand. So any
No,
doubt
sir,
is
no,
there?
sir, no doubt.
No doubt.
No doubt.
Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt.
No doubt.
नो डाउट सर.
Very good. Very good.
सर क्या इसी के
Okay.
आंसर में एक
Now
और
we will, shall we go to question answers?
यस सर.
Huh? What happened?
यस सर. सर क्या इसी के
No, I am going to answer the screen. What happened? No doubt. Any doubt is there in WhatsApp you sent?
नो डाउट
WhatsApp I have opened.
No, sir, no doubt.
पर्सनल नंबर में या
No
चैट
doubt.
बॉक्स
I
में.
have no doubt.
नो डाउट सर. नो सर. नो
Surya Kumar, Vedant, no doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
No doubt,
Well, I
sir.
am no doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, shall we go to, shall we go to question answer or okay, Kumar, shall we okay. So shall we do tomorrow or today?
No, sir. No, right now. Right now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Today. Sir, today.
Discussion. Okay,
Today.
just
Sir, we will discuss about the question. Discuss.
yes. Correct. We will discuss today. Arey, please mute yourself. We will discuss today. Tomorrow we will write. Okay. Okay, children.
Yes,
Agreed?
sir.
No. Okay.
Okay.
Number one question.
Okay, sir.
Why does the poet
Yes, sir. Tomorrow.
tomorrow will write in the board? Today we will discuss. Why does the poet want to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock?
Can I answer? Sir, may I answer?
Who can
Because they
tell
want to
why
say
does the poet
that the
want?
teacher is not doing. What is the teacher is doing?
May I answer?
Because
The
of what?
poet
very good.
thinks
Correct
that the
answer.
teacher's life is different from ordinary people. He is curious to about their lives.
Very good. This answer is better. Then second one, who will tell what are the things normal people do that the
me,
poet
sir,
talks
me.
about? The normal
The
people.
normal people live with
Yes.
their families. They wash their clothes and pick their nose. In the evening, they wear pajamas and relax. Usually watch TV.
Very good. Very good. What does he
Then I
imagine
said,
about?
correct.
Read one.
Sir, he
Where
imagines
teachers
that
live, who can
teachers
tell?
live in a house along with their families.
Yes, in houses along with their families. What they do at home?
Sir, they wash their socks, wear pajamas,
wash their
and
socks.
sit on the and even watch
Wash
TV.
their socks, wear a pajamas,
Then watch TV.
Okay.
They
Please
watch their
give chance
socks,
to
change
others
pajamas,
also.
and then
and watch TV.
They please give chance to others also.
Sir, what is the question?
Somebody has a answer. You
Sir, what
question
is
is
the
that
question?
what they do at home.
they
What
wash
do
their
they-
socks,
what they do
change
at
into
home?
pajamas, and then watch
Ah, yes.
TV.
Sir, they
With
relax
whom
and usually watching TV.
The teachers wash their
Okay.
socks, wear the
with
pajamas,
whom
and
they
watch
live at home.
their
Ah,
moms
very
and
good. With whom they live.
They live with their
With whom?
parents, children.
Moms
with their
and
mothers.
Father,
They
father
live with
and
their
sister.
parents.
They live with there.
They live
Yes.
in a home with
Live
their
What their activities when they were children at school?
They were
So,
at school.
they were making
Classes were punished.
ah,
When they were at school going
they were
age,
making
they too
spelling
spelled
mistake
the
and
words incorrectly, chewed chocolates in the class, and were punished.
They
Very
forgot
good,
their
very good.
prayer book.
so tomorrow will write in the board. Okay, children. Tomorrow will write in the board.
Okay, sir.
Children,
Okay,
goodbye
sir.
today. Okay. Okay, take rest today. You are very tired.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us. Bye bye, sir. Thank you, sir,
Thank
for
you,
teaching
sir,
us. Bye
for
bye, sir.
teaching us. Bye, bye, sir.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us. Bye bye, sir.
Bye, bye, sir.
Bye. Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Bye, bye.